Good afternoon. I hope you have had a fabulous week. I am baking this afternoon. I'm making a dessert and I thought about you. So I want to share this with you because with upcoming pool parties and cookouts, this is a perfect dessert to bring or have prepared for your guest. Very simple, individual desserts, and we're going to get started on this. First, you'll need some sugar cookie dough, and I'm using Pillsbury sugar cookie dough. This is eat and bake. You can safe to eat it raw, but I've never been one to eat raw dough. And of course, with this dessert, you want it baked. So we're gonna start with that, and you'll need a cupcake pan. And I would use the larger cupcakes, not the smaller cupcakes, and you'll see why in a moment. You can make this in no time, and your guests are going to be impressed. Let's begin by opening this cookie dough. And one tube of this cookie dough will make 12 pies. We're going to make individual fruit pies. We begin with the dough. And this dough, like I said, has been out now 15 minutes or more, and it's already very, very soft. And we're going to cut it into 12 pieces or close to 12 pieces. I have lightly oiled the bottom of this cupcake tin so they don't stick. Let's start with half. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. So we have, I'm going to put one slice in each compartment. One slice for each pie. Scoop this over here so you can see exactly what is going on. Now you can see I have placed the dough evenly in the cups. And so let's bake this for 350 degrees for 11 to 14 minutes until you see the edges are brown. Now, while these are still warm, let's press down the center of these pie crust. And I have a pasta cutter, but I don't think that is wide enough. So let's not use that. Let's use this shot glass, and that is perfect. Oh my, that works great. Could not be more perfect. Now what you'll need is pie filling, and I am using 4 different flavors. Now you can make them all one flavor, choose your favorite and go with that, but I'm making a variety. And this is Duncan Hines Simply Pie Filling. It has no preservatives or flavors, and it is perfect for this. Now if you have a pie filling that you make fresh, use that. You can even use preserves, whatever you would like to use. But I'm using pie filling. For me, I don't have like a family secret pie filling, but I wish I did. My grandmother had a recipe for apple pie using apple sauce, and I know one of the ingredients was cornstarch. That's all I know. So if you happen to have that recipe, please send it my way because I would love to make it. But in the meantime, we're making these individual little pies for outdoor parties, indoor parties, whatever parties you're having this summer, using pie filling from a can. And they taste delicious, actually. I can't complain. So let's start with my all-time favorite, which is lemon. Now, you know, my lemon obsession is becoming uncontrollable. Everything seems to need lemon in it. This lemon pie filling is so good. Now, I've never used lemon curd, but I've heard that's also good. Next is peach. Nothing better than peach pie. And if you have fresh peaches, use those. So good. And you can't have pie without apple pie. So apple pie on the 4th of July would be perfect. And of course, cherry pie. This is a no-fail recipe. Now for the garnish. Let's do lemon on the lemon, of course. I have simply thinly sliced some wedges of lemon. And the more you garnish it, the prettier it looks and the more enticing it is. How about blueberries? I have fresh blueberries. We'll do those on our cherry pies. Look at this. We've got to put 2 or 3 on them. Make them yummy. Now, if you have any apple pie seasoning, of course, put that on your apples. And you can always put nutmeg or whatever seasoning you would like on top of your peach. Look at this. That looks so delicious. Let's put these on a platter and make them even more gorgeous. We are going to platter these up. They slide out of this tray. It's beautiful. Now I have fresh mint. Let's garnish this plate and make it look delicious. We can put mint on our peach. Ooh, that would be delicious. Let's do that. Couple of sprigs of mint goes a long way, and it's so pretty. Look at this, gorgeous. truly believe that garnishing makes a huge difference in presentation because it just makes your guests walk by and say, maybe I should try that. That looks yummy. Wow, that is impressive. Your guests are going to love you for this. And if you make this recipe and you enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, tap the subscribe button. And don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram. Bye.